Tokyo, a pulsating metropolis, a place of beauty, a capital of innovation. The perfect place for DMG Mori's global headquarters. Only 10 minutes from Tokyo Station and 30 minutes from Haneda Airport. Tokyo Global Headquarters embodies the vibrant control center of the global DMG Mori sales, service, and innovation network. With 1,350 square meters of floor space, the DMG Mori Solutions Center offers one-stop service for our customers. With more than 30 cutting-edge machines on display, complemented with machining demonstrations and test machining, customers get deep insights into DMG Mori's machining solutions, including turning centers, machining centers, 5-axis multi-axis machines, and ultrasonic laser tech machines. The DMG Mori Solutions Center also serves as a venue for joint research with customers into cutting-edge machining technologies. 30 excellent engineers provide extensive experience and know-how, helping customers find the perfect solution to boost their productivity. Monthly technical seminars for up to 200 participants, where the latest industry trends are discussed, and training of our customers' machine operators in the DMG Mori Academy facilities guarantee seamless knowledge transfer. The Tokyo Digital Innovation Center is the main hub of DMG Mori Group companies. It is the perfect place to accelerate the research and development of our cutting-edge technologies. Magna-Scale's extreme accurate smart scales for linear position feedback ensure stable and high-precision operation in severe environments. Technium creates and implements new digital technology to support customers' production and machine data management. The digitization experts of the Emerging Technology Laboratory research advanced technologies. Saki Corporation's state-of-the-art semiconductor inspection equipment ensures highest stability and accuracy. The inspected PCBs are used in airplanes, self-driving cars, and 5G mobile phones. Tokyo Global Headquarters represents the central nervous system of DMG Mori's global machine tools network. In other words, this is the place where the information and innovation of 157 DMG Mori locations worldwide are shaped into the leading technologies of tomorrow.